The song I wrote for Project D-2 is in E minor and is at 210 BPM. Studies show that the most common key for guitar is E, just because of the accessibility and the tuning. A good song to compare to is a song called Children of the Grave by Black Sabbath, which also uses galloping and chord changes. However, the song was released in 1971, so a lot has changed then, but if you listen to music nowadays you can still hear the roots. For example, in a song called Rain by Trivium, you can hear it here. And for a bit more of an earlier example, you can hear it here. The song itself follows a fairly simple structure compared to the intricacies found in the parts themselves. The form is reminiscent of the traditional rock and metal structure, having a chorus, verse, bridge, pre-chorus, and breakdown, / key change, / middle eight. This dates back to the AB format found in 50s rock and roll, and is also found in the song Children of the Grave, which was associated with acid rock at the time due to the fact that the name heavy metal was pre-existent. During the early 1970s, America was still fighting the war in Vietnam, and at this point many of the atrocities that had occurred in the war itself had found the light of day in American and British media. This was a massive factor as to why there were protests against it. The music that had the gritty, heavy sound was music that protested against war, and the idea of an authoritarian leadership, as they tried to emulate the sad truth and to bring an end to war and suffering. Songs such as War Pigs was named that, as pigs were reported to have been used in ancient warfare as military animals as disposable forces, and the song used this term as a comparison as to how troops were being treated by the government at the time.